Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute your own microphone on your Xbox Series X or S. Now to do this, press the Xbox button and then tab on over to Parties and Chats. So when we have our party chat open, we do have the option under here to press X to mute everyone or press Y to mute our own microphone. So if I press Y, you can see there's a mute icon under my name now. Otherwise, what we could do is scroll on down to options right here. And then we can go to mute everyone, or we can switch to game chat, noise suppression, etc. But if we press Y, that is the best way to do it. You can see it's muted or unmuted right there. Now we also have additional settings under here. We can go to audio settings, and then we can see our headset volume, the chat mixer, mic monitoring, which is just you hearing your own voice in your headset. And then we have the TV volume right here. We can mute the TV volume if we have this connected. And you can get to the same screen by simply going on down to here and then selecting audio and music. And that's the same screen. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.